everybody, you're all welcome to my channel. Wow, this is literally the first makeup video we starting, guys, so stay along, don't miss even one step. I'm going with beginners. So today, guys, we'll be grooming our eyebrows. So to begin, I have my spoolie, I have the blade, and I have some Vaseline. Just stay tuned and watch. So at this point, I'm giving it that shape we all want. Yeah, guys, so you get the spoolie, brush the hair up, brush the hair up. You see there is hair that is above the line. Any hair that is above the line, we trim it off. We trim it off. At this point, we brush the hair down with a spoolie and we do the same thing. We trim any hair that is below the line. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna repeat exactly the same process the side. If you didn't pick it up on the other side of the brow, so you will catch up here. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and then turn on notification for further updates, because I'll be uploading lots of videos. Thank you. Bye. Love you all.